Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to do the stacked shells stitch pattern. Super easy, so let's go ahead and jump into it. You'll need to know how to do a double crochet, and that's it. If you need help with that, check down in the description below on a link on how to do that stitch. So to get started, you'll want to do multiples of 4 plus 1. For this tutorial, I'm doing a quick 16 chains plus 1 for a total of 17. All right, now that we have our 17 chains, we want to go ahead and chain 3. And in the 4th chain from the hook, we want to work 5 double crochets, all in the same stitch. Once we have our 5, we want to skip 3 chains. So 1, 2, and 3. And in the 4th one, we want to work 5 double crochets, all in the same stitch. All right, we can see how it's coming along. So just like before, we're going to skip 3, and in the 4th one, we're going to work 5 double crochets. All right, skip 3. In the 4th one, 5 double crochets. All right, we're going to skip 3. In the last stitch, we're going to work 5 double crochets. All right, and there you have it, row 1. Super easy. So to get started on row 2, we want to chain 3 and work 5 double crochets in the middle stitch of the double crochet 5 cluster from below. And this will be our repeat for the whole entire pattern. So once we do that, we skip everything and just go straight into the middle stitch of the 5 cluster below and work 5 double crochets. You always want to remember to start your rows by chaining 3. All right, so skip everything and just go straight into the middle of the cluster from below and work 5 double crochets in that one stitch. And this will end up giving the side of your work that ripple, peak and valley kind of style. So here we are at the end, just working 5 double crochets in the middle stitch of the cluster below. And that is how you do the stacked shell stitch. Super easy and fun. Would make a great project. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.